Right.
Yep.
Amethyst, like your hair.
Yep.
Cool. Got a new whiskey alternative, apparently. We didn't realize that.
No, I thought it was supposed to be tequila because the flavors are lemon, cucumber, and Serrano. And to me, that's more tequila flavors, and I'm always looking for that type of alternative.
So what are we going to make today?
We are going to make a recipe off of their website called the Health Aid. It is 2 ounces of the Amethyst lemon, cucumber, Serrano, 1.5 of the soda water, and a 1/4 ounce of lemon juice. And I made some fun little blue ice cubes. These have butterfly pea flowers in them. They don't really have a very strong flavor, but what happens is with lemon juice, they will turn the liquid like pink or purple. So we'll see if that works or not. I already put the lemon juice in my glass here, so I'm going to muddle up my cucumber.
So this company was founded by 2 brothers who wanted to have a connoisseur whiskey alternative. It's kind of interesting. 20% of their customers would come in and wouldn't do a taste test. They wanted to be inclusive, so they started brewing this whiskey alternative, and it's so confusing to look at it. It looks like vodka, but it's not. So you can grab it for $30 off the website, and the reason why they chose Amethyst is because it's supposed to be about balance in life and whatever, which is what the amethyst crystal is supposed to do. If you're into crystals.
I am.
We assume they're putting in the Serrano to give it that kind of heat burn that you get when normally drinking.
Here we go.
Right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And as you can see, it's already starting to turn it just a little bit purple. I love it. Whoa. Cucumber, Serrano,
Big time.
lemon. Exactly what they promised. I would never think this was whiskey.
Never. Not even close.
But it is really refreshing. What do you think? A little tart?
A little tart, little vinegary or something.
Maybe that's what it is, the vinegar.
It's definitely not my favorite whiskey alternative.
I'm not going to consider it a whiskey alternative.
Not at all.
I think you just need to get that
out of your head.
brain. Would you consider this a interesting maybe vodka alternative instead? Or is it too much spice?
That's Serrano.
Is it Serrano?
The Serrano's huge.
So the Serrano to me is more tequila. But it definitely doesn't have agave in there, so...
Yeah, no agave. So the Serrano, you're going to have to be somebody who can handle some heat. Because if not, you're probably not going to like this.
I like it.
No, it's certainly tasty and drinkable. It wouldn't be my first go-to if I was going to have a tasty beverage.
Maybe it's my recipe I chose.
Maybe. You would definitely not serve this with a soda, I don't think.
Well, they actually recommended like ginger beer with it.
Ginger beer is good with
a lot of things. But ginger beer with that spice would really blend. Do you want to just try it on its own and see how it is?
Oops. All right, so at least you can kind of smell it without it burning out your nose. Like the last time. That was pretty funny. Okay, now this is totally unexpected this way. It's super sweet.
Whoa.
Like, where is that sugar coming from?
I'm sure they added it in there.
It doesn't have anything to mention sugar. Yeah, there's nothing that should be sweet, but it's really sweet.
That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know where this
totally overwhelms. Yeah. Any of the other flavors. That's weird.
Right, so on its own, does it seem like something you would want to sip? No? Not
No.
interested. Too sweet.
Yeah, it's really sweet, like that kind of unnatural sweet of.
Let's mix it with some soda water.
Okay.
Cut that down. See if that helps open up the flavors a little bit more, because you should be tasting.
There, it did it.
It went right up his nose. All right.
Now it's totally different, but now I don't think I'm really picking up
I'm not getting cucumber.
No.
I'm getting lemon and Serrano mostly.
Yeah, and even the Serrano feels. Well, I don't know.
It's more
hard
like
to know.
it's more like a burning.
Yeah.
Than an actual flavor. I don't know, I like the mixed better. Honestly,
Definitely.
I would sip it, but yeah, as a drink, I don't know. So on a scale of 1 to 5, what would you give it?
Or 1 to 10. What would I give this? 4.
Yeah.
What would you give it?
I give it a 5.
Yeah.
I want to play around with it more.
It kind of makes me wonder if you were to mix it in with like a Bloody Mary or something. Or
Sure. That might
That
be
would-
interesting. That is one of the recipes on their
Oh, it
website,
is?
but
Okay.
I'll play around with it a little bit more.
All right.
See what I come up with. But
Cool.
for now, this is a maybe. This is a maybe, because it's not cheap, right?
Yeah. No, I mean it's $30 for a bottle, which I guess is cheaper than some of the other stuff we've been.
I mean, when you consider you could get
$39.
Ritual for $26 or
no.
less.
But I mean, some of the other stuff that we've tried, like the Monday, that was more like.
That was 40.
But that was actually interesting, right?
Yeah.
With the smokiness and everything.
Yeah, this one is. There's 3 flavors. You get them, and that's about it.
Yep. There you have it.
All right.